If you're in the market for a beautiful new home, walking distance from downtown Birmingham, you got to check this one out. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are on Henrietta Street, just walking distance. Bear with me here. Winter is in full effect here in Michigan. All right, so let's check out the inside. So again, this is on Henrietta Street. It's a 2,540 square feet, 3-bed, 4 full bathrooms. It's a 1943 build with a lot of renovations and remodels in 2019. Right off the bat, looks very nice and cozy. This one does have a basement as well. Really nice office here, right off the entrance. And into the full bath on the first level, really nice. Pretty spacious, convenient. I like that. Shelves are cool there. It's a good use of the space, or bookshelves or something like that. Another nice living seating area. Got the fireplace. Heading to the kitchen. Pretty cool pantry, good size. I like how the stairs are kind of tucked to the side there as well. It's pretty cool. This is pretty neat also. It once was a closet, they turned into a little cubby. Pretty thoughtful. And into the kitchen. Good size, good amount of cabinet storage as well. All your appliances, got the accent cabinet color there. Coffee bar area. Don't see any under cabinet lighting. That'd be cool though. That'd make this kitchen pop. Unless I'm mistaken, but no. Nice touch you can add. This is really cool. Nice dry bar with the cooler. That's very thoughtful as well. Great use of the space. What do you guys think about the kitchen? Drop a comment below. And this is that door to the garage outside. I'll take out there later. So you got good ease of entrance here. Nice hardwood floor. Have to check it. Sometimes you never know. It looks like vinyl. Windows look pretty good here too. All right, we're upstairs now. Nice big closet storage. Could make it into a little room. Got some good potential there. And then right off of the staircase there, you have another full bath. No shortage of bathrooms here. No shortage. With the upstairs washer and dryer, really nice. And they have the drain. Not a lot of people put that in, but it's a nice thing to do. Like some good units. So now we have the bedrooms. Again, 3 full bedrooms. Really good sized room here. Really clean, nice paint. Again, great storage. Nice closet. Everybody loves a good walk-in closet. We'll hit the master last. Let's check this room here. Again, excellent size room. Great size closet. Got a window in this one. Really nice. And here we are. So right off the bat, I noticed really functional room. Not too big, but you have that nice seating area there. Plus a good sized bed can fit there with one closet and the other closet, right? The modern day hers and hers. No more his and hers. There's your attic entrance. It's nice. You could probably do something there if you wanted something in the middle. Maybe there's room there. Or actually, maybe better here. Yeah, something right there. And your master bath. Got a tub. Double vanities. Good size shower. It's got a little design here. I wonder if this wasn't. I guess you could make it a storage piece if you wanted. Put a couple there. I got the access to the jacuzzi. Yep. Jet tub there. That's good. Smart. Again, thoughtful. Nice trim. They have a good amount of lighting as well. Not too much, but nice LEDs in the appropriate places. A little bit of awkwardness here, but what do you guys think about that? Drop a comment, let me know. I guess that's what you get with the stairs being tucked over here, which is nice for the aesthetic down here, just a little weirder up there. And last but not least, let's get to the basement. Decent ceiling height, especially for the age of the house. It's pretty nice. Solid entertainment, solid room. Utilities. A little storage under the staircase here. Here's your panel. Yeah, that's about it. How do we feel about this one overall? I think it's a pretty nice move-in ready home myself. Let's go check out the outside. Both AC units, nice private fence in here. Not a whole lot of yard room, but this is nice, at least for the cars. That's the only thing about these close to downtown lots. You don't have a lot of room, a lot of frontage. Thank you again for tuning in. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed, and feel free to drop any comments below with any questions. Thanks so much. We'll see you at the next one.